Solving linear inequalities in one variable. Key terms you need to know: inequality signs, here they are. Terms, factors. Excuse me. Steps. Step 1, we are going to, sorry, that was erased by accident. We are going to simplify both sides of the inequality. So it's 3x plus 2x. We know that will be 5x. And then we'll distribute here, which would be 8x minus 6. Next is locate the variable. Here it is. Easy enough. Now, the big chunk of work, isolate the variable. So here we go. We'll add 6 on both sides, which will be 5x plus 6 is greater than 8x. And then we will subtract the 5x, which will be 6 is greater than 3x. Then we will divide, and that'll give us 2 is greater than x. And let's just flip that around. X is less than 2. Next is to draw the number line. Here we go. Sorry, 0. And then here's our 2. Since it is less than, we'll do an open circle, and it will be going this way. Common mistakes: do not forget to reverse the inequality symbol when dividing by a negative. Let's jump into some examples. Distribute, you already know, simplify on both sides of the equality, so that will be distributing 6x, 3 times 2 is 6x, and then plus 12. Let's bring this down. 8x, negative 4. Let's add the 4 on both sides, that'll be 16, and then we're going to subtract 6x on both sides, which would be 2x. Now we're going to divide for the final step, and that'll be 8 is less than or equal to x, and let's reverse that. X is greater than or equal to 8, and here we go with our number line. So 0, 8, and because it can be greater than or equal to, we're going to put a closed circle. We're going to move this way. Same thing, simplify on both sides. Negative 5 times 2, that was negative 10x. And then negative 5 times 4, you know, is negative 20. Then negative 4 plus 14, simple, it's 10. Now we'll add 20 on both sides, and that will be 30. Negative 10x greater than. Now we'll divide by negative 10, and don't forget, must reverse your inequality symbol. So that'll be x is less than now 30 divided by negative 10, which you know is negative 3. Let's draw a number line. Here's our 0 and negative 3. Since it's going to be an open circle, and we'll be going this way. Here are some more challenging ones. 3x plus 4 squared. 3x plus 4 quantity squared. So you know we're gonna head right into our FOIL. We know that 3x times 3x would be 9x squared. Then 3x plus times 4 is 12x, double that, 24x. Plus 4 times 4 is 16. This side. We know that 3x times 3x is 9x squared, and then 3x times 5 will be 15x. Now let's bring this down actually. 9x squared is 15x. Now let's subtract. Oh, you know these cancel out. So by subtracting 9x, 0. And then 15x, let's subtract again. 24 minus 15. 9x. And then minus 16 because there's nothing on this side anymore now. So 9x is greater than or equal to negative 16. And then finally we will divide. And x is greater than or equal to negative 16 over 9. Now let's draw our number line. Negative 16 over 9, and since we know it's equal to or greater than, we're going to put a closed circle and we're going to go this way. Final question. Here we go. Since this is a fraction, we are actually going to multiply by the LCD, which would be 6. So 6 times this, it cancels out, and then 6 times all of this. That will be 6 plus 24x, and then 6 times 9 is 54. And then we have 2x plus 4 is greater than 24x plus 54. We'll minus, and that'll be 50, and then minus again, and that'll be 22x. And then we'll subtract again to get it back on this side, and it'll be negative 50, which is greater than 22x. And then finally, we will get negative 50 over 22, which is greater than x. Simplify. Let's simplify this down a little bit. 50 divided by 2 is 25, negative 25. And then 22 divided by 2 is 11. So it's our final answer. Let's flip it around, actually. It's just less than negative 25 over 11. Final answer. And here we go with the number line. Here's our 0. Here's our negative 25 over 11. And because we know it is less than and no equal to, it'll go this way. That's linear inequalities in one variable, and thank you. Bye.